Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to copy anyone's crosshair in Valorant on your PC. Let's get started. First, open Valorant and start any match. It can be on rated, deathmatch, spy cross, or even a custom game. You need to be inside a match because crosshair copying only works when you are in game. Once the game begins, look for the player whose crosshair you want to copy. It could be a teammate or it could be an enemy if you are watching their gameplay in spectator mode. Now here is the easiest part. Stand still, look at the player and aim your screen directly at their crosshair. You don't need to be close. As long as you can see their crosshair, it works. On your keyboard, press F3 or the shortcut shown on the top of your screen. Usually the prompt will say press F to copy crosshair. Just press it and instantly your crosshair will change to match their exactly. To keep the crosshair forever, open settings, go to the crosshair and click create new profile. This save it so it does not get lost if you change anything later. You can also rename the profile like pro player crosshair or teammate crosshair. And that's it. We have just learned how to copy and crosshair in Valorant on PC. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.